Good morning, students. This is our chapter number 9, Internet and Online Surfing. In our previous class, means in our offline class, while we are studying in the school, we have already covered many topics of this chapter, like popular internet services like email, online chatting, video conferencing, e-learning, internet free calls, e-groups, social networking, internet TV, internet radio. We also covered advantages and disadvantages of internet, potential threats while using internet like spyware, spamming, scareware, malware, viruses like Trojan virus, ransomware, worm, keyloggers and cookies. Now in today's class we are going to discuss about the netiquettes. So the term netiquettes is a combination of two words. The netiquette word is made up of two words. First one is net, which means internet, and etiquette, which means good manners. So we can get the meaning of netiquettes with the word netiquette itself. We have to be in good manners while using internet. It is defined as a special set of rules that governs the behavior of a user communication online. It simply means that you should adhere to the same standard of behavior online that you follow in the real life. The communication can be via email, forums, blogs, and social networking sites, etc. It includes the following rules. Means first one is use proper salutation and signature. While communicating online, always begin your message with a salutation and end it with your names or signature. Include a subject line. You have to include a subject line. Give a descriptive phrase in a subject line of the message header that convey the purpose of the message. You have to put a heading on the top so that one can understand what are you trying to say in that message. Keep your message concise, in a small way, in a summarized way. Be precise and catchy while drafting a message so that people may take time from their busy schedule to read it. Be respectful, avoid sarcasm. We have to respect each and everyone on the internet and do not comment sarcastically on anyone. Treat other as you would like to treated by others. Do not include sarcastic or insulting comment in your messages. Always respect others' views and can be courteous while posting your view on the online discussion groups. Respect others' privacy. You have to respect the privacy of others. Do not read or forward another person's mail without seeking his permission. Without his or her permission, do not look into the other's emails. Going through other person's works could land you in trouble. Now, obey copyright laws. You have to obey the copyright laws. Do not copy or post someone's content from a net and claim it as your own. You copy the someone face or something from online and you said it is written by me. That is not good. You may encounter serious consequences if you do not obey copyright laws. If an information is needed to be picked up from the internet, its resource must be mentioned. That you have to mention the resource of that, from where you copy that topic, that lines. Now, do not indulge in spamming. Spamming refers to flooding the user's inbox with unwanted advertisement and messages. Never send, forward or respond to such spam messages. Now use appropriate language. Remember to check your spelling and grammar before posting your messages. Always understand what you are expressing. Should make sense, that you want to express something that makes some sense. Be polite and courteous to everyone. Use appropriate emotions, icons, and acronyms. Use emotions such as to convey emotions. If you are happy, you send a happy emoji. You can also use common acronyms like LOL for laugh out loud, that I am laughing. However, in formal email, any abbreviation or emoticons is considered to be inappropriate. So next one is do not reveal sensitive information online. To minimize the cyber threat, you be vigilant to take precaution while using the internet. Never share your sensitive information such as password, ATM pin, credit card number, locker number, etc. with anyone through email, messages, or any other means over the internet. Practice caution while making any online payment. You have to be very careful. Now be tolerant and careful. Every person has its own view regarding any matter. Therefore, while posting a question, ask the appropriate one. Always hear the respect other people's idea. You have to respect other people's ideas. So be tolerant and careful. So student, this is all from today's class. We have discussed the netiquettes in today's class. In our next class, we are going to study email and its features. So student, till then read the next topic and read today's topic also. If you have any problem regarding the topic, you can ask me personally. So student, till then read it carefully. Take care. Thank you students.